2014 Chevy Camaro 2SS 6.2 liter V8. It's like our second or third video of this one. So what we got done on this beautiful beast, ZL1 package. Long tube headers, there and there. High flow cats, there and there. Then what we just did is added an X pipe. He didn't want any more exhaust scavenge. He wanted a little bit more low end torque, so that's what we did. Put him an X pipe there. Then it continued with 2.5-inch pipe all the way back on each side, there and there. And we also put them the tips back in the day, there and there. So we're gonna do a comparison hopefully for you guys with the X pipe and then true dual straight pipe. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe.
Alright guys, so 2020 Camaro ZL1. We put a CORSA kit on it and everything. And so we're going to show you guys after. Anyways, so long tube headers, high flow cats, there and there. Dual it all the way out into the X pipe. And then goes back into the CORSA kit that we put on, axle back. I'll get you guys the part number and everything here in a minute. There. Out the back into some quad tips. They look a lot cleaner than the stock ones that come on it. There it is right there. There's the old one right there. The valves, take them off, zip tie them away, and it's a huge muffler, huge. So a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, it looks a lot better underneath there now, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Better? Still loud as hell. I can't stand behind it. It's too loud to stand behind. It sounds so good. 109 on startup. That I saw. Whole lot. Sound decibels. 117 was the peak on that. Yeah, sounds good. Go ahead. It's got clean idle too. When you leave, not when you get on it. Uh-oh, he's setting up. It's beautiful. Always deserves a beast mode. Always beast mode. Sounds phenomenal.